chocolate chip cookies are an all-time favorite dessert for many people around the world. These delicious treats are easy to make and loved by almost everyone, but have you ever wondered how they're made? Let's dive into the process of how chocolate chip cookies are made, step by step. The first step in making chocolate chip cookies is to gather all the necessary ingredients. The primary ingredients include all-purpose flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and of course, chocolate chips. Once you have all the ingredients, it's time to start the baking process. To begin, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, mix the dry ingredients, such as flour, baking soda, and salt, in a bowl. Next, cream the butter and sugar together using an electric mixer until the mixture is light and fluffy. Afterward, beat in the eggs and vanilla extract until the mixture is well combined. The next step is to slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until everything is well combined. Once the batter is ready, add the chocolate chips and stir until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now it's time to start forming the cookies. You can use an ice cream scoop to form uniform cookie dough balls, or you can use a tablespoon to measure out the dough. Place the cookie dough balls on a greased cookie sheet or parchment paper, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies in the oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are slightly golden brown. Once the cookies are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack. While chocolate chip cookies are relatively easy to make, there are a few variations that you can try. For instance, you can add nuts such as walnuts or pecans to the recipe for an extra crunch. You can also use different types of chocolate chips, such as dark or white chocolate chips, to create a different flavor profile. Another variation is to add different flavorings to the batter, such as cinnamon or nutmeg, to add a unique flavor to the cookies. You can also try using brown sugar instead of granulated sugar for a chewier texture. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also try making giant chocolate chip cookies. To do this, simply scoop out larger portions of the dough and bake them for a longer period of time, usually around 15 to 20 minutes. Chocolate chip cookies are a classic dessert that can be enjoyed in various ways. You can serve them with a glass of milk, add them to ice cream, or even create a cookie cake using multiple layers of cookies. Overall, the process of making chocolate chip cookies is relatively simple and can be done in under an hour. Whether you're an experienced baker or a novice in the kitchen, you can easily whip up a batch of these delicious treats to enjoy with friends and family. So, grab your ingredients and get baking today.